Good morning, class. I'm Chef Meiji, and I'm here as your guest for international cuisine. And it's my pleasure to be sharing with you now the ingredients that we have from New Zealand, and they're like amazing products that we can use on different dishes. First of all would be the honey, wherein the honey is coming from the manuka flower, which is native to New Zealand, and it has amazing flavor. It is like you can use it for desserts, for tea, for cooking, for different dishes, and we even can use it for bacon and from some ribs. Yeah, we have heaps of products already that we're using the manuka honey, and for today I'll be using it for your mussels. Another very good product is the Kumara, wherein it's like kamote sa Pilipinas, but it's kind of sweeter, and also it has a different texture, a very nice one. You can use it from appetizer down to dessert. You can use it for salads, which I'm gonna be using it later. And then also, it has two varieties. One is orange, and the other one is the red kumara. One other ingredient that we can use also as we do our foraging here is kawa-kawa. It's a kawa-kawa tree wherein it's siguro sa atin similar to gabi. So you can, or a different herb also that you can use for different types of cooking. You can use it for mushrooms, you can use it for pasta, you can use it for as a pesto, which I'm gonna be doing later, a kawa-kawa pesto. And another one is, this one is also very natural, wherein we use this for lip balm, for facial wash, because here in New Zealand we're into organic and natural products. And of course, mussels from Coromandel, which is like 3 hours away from Auckland. And the mussels here are really huge. Like if we have in the Philippines like this small, this one is the smallest that they have. They can even be bigger than this. And very, very nice flavor, and it's softer and very fresh. And you can see, I have a video of when you buy it from the supermarket, how fresh it could be and how amazing the flavor can be. And of course, I'm gonna be using a Himalayan salt. It's available everywhere, but here in New Zealand, normally like 90% of the available salt would be Himalayan. So in all households, this is like very common. And then we have the Lewis Road. As you all know, we have great graceland in New Zealand. We have great landscapes and we have great scenery, which allows all the cows to have a very good product for milk and for butter and for cheese. And this brand of Lewis Road has garlic and parsley on the butter already. So when you put it and melt it and put it on top of the mussels, it's really like, wow. The flavor can be infused inside the mussels, and it's very, very amazing. And of course, olive oil. And then we have, I'm gonna be using this for the dressing later, the balsamic cream. So if you're familiar with balsamic vinegar, normally here in New Zealand, what we use is a balsamic cream, wherein it's like a reduction, and that's a bit sweeter. We use it on everything. We use it on salad, we use it on cheese board, we use it on pizza, and it gives a different character on the dishes that you make. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make or how to prepare mussels in 3 ways. So 3 toppings, and a salad using kumara and other ingredients that would make it very light and perfect for summer, and also for your family gatherings, or when you have functions at school, or whenever you want to like prepare those dishes. And those dishes are like, the ingredients that you're using are really from New Zealand, and that's how your international cuisine would be. Like, you're getting different dishes from the different parts of the world, and this as being like unique in New Zealand, then you're gonna be like using them, and that would set the character of New Zealand cuisine.
after preparing the dishes that I've shown you a while ago, I can enjoy it at the comfort of my outdoor dining at the lawn outside my house, and enjoy and bask in the sun, and have some kumara salad with the mussels. Let's eat, yummy!